Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I will show you how to install the Mesrai app and start getting AI powered code review on your GitHub repository. So let's get started. First, navigate to mesrai.com and click on this console button. This will redirect you to the Mesrai app where you just need to click on this continue with GitHub option. If you haven't authorized the app before, GitHub will prompt you to do so. Simply, you have to just click authorize to continue the application. If you have already authorized in the past, you will have to take it straight to this Mesrai setup page. Once you are on the setup page, you will see two options. The first is Connect Repository. This install the GitHub app right away so you can start reviewing code instantly. The second option is Skip for now. This option take you to the dashboard, allowing you to install the app later. Let's take the direct route. I will click on this Connect Repository to install the app right now. We are now on the GitHub official installation page for the Mesrai app. First, we have to select the GitHub organization where you want to install the app. For this video, I will select my organization. Next, you need to choose which repository you want Mesrai to review. Either you can select all repository to cover everything or choose a specific one if you want to start small. For now, I will choose all repository and click on this blue install button. Now the GitHub will quickly install the app, and once it's done, you will be redirected back to the Mesrai application. Here you can see all your connected repository listed on this GitHub this application repo, and that's it. Mesrai is now installed and connected. From now, whenever someone open a pull request in any of your connected repository, Mesrai will automatically review the code and post its finding directly as a GitHub comment. Thanks for watching and start shipping faster with Mesrai.